So I purchased I don't even know how to pronounce it, Aisoso 5 functions, high pressure shower head. Got 2 pieces, it's 4.1 inches. Came with pretty simple directions. Here is one of the shower heads. Looks pretty good. Like it. This is the chrome, not the stainless steel. I like the chrome a little bit better. So here's one of the pieces. The second one is in here. Comes with an extra washer and a thank you card. So it says here that you are to tape the threads of the shower arm after you take off the old one. And it comes with the Teflon tape. And like I said, an extra washer. So here is what's supposed to be the Teflon tape. However, not a bit of tape on this. Not a starter. I thought maybe, it was just that I couldn't peel it, right? Well, there's no tape. So can't apply the Teflon tape because I don't believe there's any tape on here. It's a red spool, like they said, but no tape. So hopefully I won't need it.
Can't go wrong with that.
Yeah man, the shower head, it bad, it good, it nice. It give me a nice feeling. Make me feel like me there in a 10 star, a 9 star, a 8 star, a 7 star, a 6 star, a 5 star, a 4 star hotel. It mad, it up and running, it feel good. I'm gonna buy a next one. Now I'm gonna buy 2 more, I'm gonna buy 3 more. Even though it not gone 1 week yet, but it bad.